guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. And what I've got laid out on the table in front of me are going to be the Mopar all-weather slush mats fitting your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. Now I've got my brand new 2020 Gladiator behind me, and one of the first modifications I need to make to it is to be able to properly protect my carpet and make sure that all the mud and gunk that goes on my shoes doesn't stain into that carpet. And with the Mopar all-weather slush mats, you can be sure that they're a factory finish because they're made by the same company that builds the Jeep. Now I love this design, and I've run them in pretty much all of my Jeeps in the past, including my JL and my JK. What you get is all 4 pieces, which are going to fit nicely into any Gladiator trim model. Mine is a Rubicon, so the red accents will match perfectly with the red on the Rubicon. You've got a nice topograph map on here, as well as a little miner's cross and a couple other little Easter eggs on these floor mats to make them extremely nice. The other thing that I really like about them is on the front, you actually remove the carpet hole that's on the floor of your Jeep. This slot goes in, and then you put your plug right on top of the floor mats, which means if you ever want to rinse these out, you don't need to pull anything out of your Jeep. You can simply use a hose, rinse them out, and it'll drain right out underneath your vehicle. Now, with that being said, these are floor mats, so the installation process really isn't that hard, but I figured I'd just tell you guys how much I love these floor mats and why this is one of the first modifications I'm making to my Jeep. With that being said, let's get that carpet ditched out of this Rubicon and throw these in. All right, guys, well, we've got our door open. The first thing you want to do is grab your factory cloth floor mat and pull up on the 2 tabs here, and we can pull that out, set them aside. And now the next thing you do, the only modification you need to make, is there's actually a small indent, and I'll pull up a little piece here. You can see this here. That is going to be the hole for your drain plug, and the drain plug is right underneath it. So I'm actually gonna pull out the drain plug first, and then what I'm gonna do is take a sharp blade, which I keep here in my back pocket to make sure I don't get myself with, and just cut on either side. Now, unless you want to throw this in the junk drawer, this is the only piece you have to cut out. You can throw it in the trash. So here we have the driver's side, and if you flip it around, you can actually see what location it says right there on a little picture. And we're going to go ahead and set this into place. Now, what I like to do is just slide it under the pedals first, line up this section right down here with these 2 holes, give it a firm push, and you'll hear a small click with it. Make sure that your drain plug is pushed in nice and tight, and then you can go ahead and take your drain plug cover. And that's the coolest part about these, is they'll just fit right in. And now you've got a nice and sealed floor that you don't need to worry about. So that's just how easy it is. What we're gonna go ahead and do is actually do it on the rest of the corners, and then we'll show you guys the finished product. All right, guys, about 5 minutes later, we've got these all-weather slush mats by Mopar installed on the front and back of my 2020 Gladiator Rubicon. I'm gonna say I love the way that they installed, and I love how easy Jeep makes it to wash them out and really make them great for the inside of your Gladiator. Now, if you've got a 2-door JL or a 4-door JL or even a JK, they've got some Mopar floor mats for you, and you can make sure that the inside of your vehicle stays clean and not have to worry about anything that's dirty, wet, muddy, snowy, anything like that on the bottom of your shoes or boots messing up the inside of your Jeep. If you're going to check these out, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com, and for all your Gladiator and Jeep installs, be sure to like and subscribe our YouTube page.